Hi, Beans. Good girl. Beans' marker word is good. You use that to mark the behavior when she gets it right. You ready? Kennel. Good. Good girl. So we point to we say kennel, then we point to it. Beans, come. Touch. Good job. Good job, baby girl. Beans, kennel. Get her to get it down. Good job. Good girl, sweetie. Good. Beans, come. Good. Excellent. Excellent job. Good girl. What a good girl, Beans. So we have touch. You like the kennel. That's a good thing. Ready? Touch. Good girl. Good job. Touch. Ooh, missed it. Good girl. Ready? Touch. Good. That's a good girl. Drop it in my hand there. I drop one back there. Okay, so then sit just like this. Good. Yeah, there's crumbs. Crumbs. Good girl. Good job, Beans. Very good. Sit. Good. Excellent job. Beans, kennel. Kennel is so strong that we really want to break up the other thinking. Ready? Break. Good job. Sit. Good. They're young. We will help them out. Sometimes there's hard to think. Sit. Good. And the hand sign for down cue is that. Good. Take it. Good job, baby. Like to feed her from away so she stays down. Good job. Ready? Break. Whoops, right out through the grid. Here you go, get it, yeah, good job. Let's hope she forgets about that one. Down. Good girl, give her a couple moments so she can figure that out. She knows it, she's just thinking. Good girl, what a good girl you are. Good girl, break. I say the word break. Eventually I'd like to see her start moving as soon as I say it. And let's see. Let's do that one. Again. Yep, good. Good girl. Good girl. I don't like chaining a whole lot, but it's good to see if she can combine a couple of them for the video. Good. Good. Good job. That's a big one. Leave it. Good. Good girl. Take it. Go get it. Yay. Good girlie. Say yummy. Leave it. Good job. Take it. Good job. I'm going to try something differently. Come in. I want her to differentiate between leave it and get it eventually when you use the words. Good girl. Good job. Very good. Good girl. Ready? Get it. Leave it. Good girl. That was very good. Good girl. Awesome. Yay, Beans. Good job, baby. Go get it. Leave it. Good. Take it. Yay. Very good. Go get it. Hey, Beans. Kennel. Say the word and then we'll do the finger point. Break. Release her before she comes out on her own. Excellent. Excellent job. Beans, kennel. We started by throwing a treat in it, which you might want to do when she first gets home. Break. Kennel. Get her down. looks like she's getting full. Yeah, good. Break. Good girl. Eventually you want to say the word break and have her start moving before you throw it. And that's what will happen when you keep using that. Good. Stay. Good girl. Good girl, Beans. That was very good. So good. You're just a little too calm. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Ready? Ready? Beans, get it. Go get it, baby. Up, 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 up. This way. Ready? Good. Good girl. That was just an open hand in case you didn't see it. Up by my face, we're going to do this again, and the open hand, and move a foot. Good girl, take it. What a good, oops, what a good girl, yay. That was a good one, yeah. Hi, Beans. Hi, baby. You ready to do some leave-its, huh? Ready, ready, ready? Go get it. Get it. Good girl. Good job. Leave it. Good girl. Very good, Beans. Very good. Go get it. Leave it. Good job. That was very close. It did a roller to you, didn't it? Leave it. Good. Leave it. Very good. Take it. That's a good girlie. Good job, Beans. Up we go. Ready? Get it. Leave it. Yes, good girl. Good job, baby. Good job. Let's get a couple more. Ready? Leave it. Leave it. Good girl. Take it. Chicken's hard. Take it. Good job, baby. Ready? Get it, get it, get it, get it. Find it first. Yeah. Good job. Leave it. This one rolled right away from me. Good job. Take it. Good girl. Leave it. Harder with them right under your nose. Leave it. Very good. Take it, baby girl. Good job. Good job. Get it. You're getting lazy. Yes, you are. Whoop. Good. Good. Yay. Good girl. Very good. Go get that baby girl. Go get that baby girl. Let's get that big thing out of there. Oh, what a good girlie. Yes, you are. Here we go. Sit. Good. Good job. Go get it. Good girlie. That's away. That's away. Up, 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 up. Come, puppy. Down. Oh, what was that? Good. Very good. I thought maybe it stopped you from thinking. Good girl. Yay. Excellent job. That was very good. Ready? Break. Beans, come, puppy. Down. Good girl. So this is red light, green light. I use it to teach dogs self-control. So I start up by my head. I go an inch and come down fast. I try and keep her sitting up, so because she's kind of tired. And come down fast, no verbal. Good. So when they get that and they don't come after the food, you would raise it back up. If they do, you go a little slower. And then fast again. Good girl. What a good girl you are. And then you go a little. And take it. Then you can take it. Yeah. You have food up. Is your food up? You did good, baby. You did. You're such a sweet little girl. You're a sweet little girl. Are you a sweet little girl? Mwah. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, baby girl. Oh, so sweet. Mwah. Yes, you are. Yes. So sweet. And she loves her squishies. Oh, yeah. She come running for squishy. Oh, give me kisses. Oh, good job. Yeah, thank you so much, sweetie. You're going to love Beans. Beans is, oh, you almost fell over backwards with Lovin'. Lovin'. She's very people-focused. Great little hiker. She stays right with you, doesn't stop to smell all the time. She walks beautifully on lead, and she really does do everything you ask of her all day long when it's just here and there. Sit. Good. And wait. Get it. Good girl. Good job. Yay. Excellent. Good job. Yes, this is real life training, and we don't always do what we should, but that's okay. We keep it fun. Yay. Out. Good girl. Good girl. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Yes. Good job. Excellent. That was good. Very good, baby girl. Good job, Beans. Really good. Out. Yes, good job. Woohoo! Wait. Get it. Good girl. That's a good girl. Good job. I used the hand cue and the verbal for wait. We're trying to tie the two together now. Oh, that was an excellent wait. Oh, it's just a little feely so we keep it all fun. Yes. Out. Yay, good girl. Good. Get it. Yes, 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 yes. Out. Short little sessions in between. You got something in your eyeball. Is that fuzz? Is that squirrel fuzz? Good. Okay, ready? Sit. Good. Down. Excellent. Yeah, we changed just then. That was really good. Good job. You get it, squirrel. Or it's a raccoon. Yeah, you get a raccoon. You lucky little thing. Oh, get it, get it, get it. You gave that too easy. You made that too easy. Yeah. Out. Yeah. Whoop. Out. We're starting to tie in the outward with the release too. Yes, good job, baby girl. Touch. Good. Whoa, you missed it. Touch. Where is it? Come on. She says this isn't how this game goes. Ready? Good. There it is. Good. Yes, reset. We reset it. Yeah, yeah. I know. Oh, keep it low. She's slippery out here. You'd like to see their back end get down and pull with the back end versus that, but out here. Yeah, that's it. Good job. Out. Yay, girl.